Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burrito within the Yeeps game. To begin your culinary adventure, you'll need to gather a few essential items. First, find one flour item to craft your tortilla. Next, secure one beef item, which you'll cook to make your savory meat filling. Finally, locate one milk item to transform into delicious cheese. You'll also need a cooking pot or oven for these transformations. Now, let's craft the individual components for your Yeeps burrito. Take your one flour item and place it into a pot to magically create a fresh tortilla. Then, cook your one beef item in either a pot or an oven until it becomes perfectly cooked meat. Don't forget to put your one milk item into a pot to yield a block of cheese. Once these 3 items are prepared, you're ready for the next step. With your ingredients ready, it's time to assemble your Yeeps burrito. Lay out one freshly made tortilla. Carefully place one cooked meat item directly onto the tortilla. Follow this by layering one cheese item on top of the meat. Now, combine these 3 prepared ingredients, the tortilla, cooked meat, and cheese, into a pot. This combination will craft your delicious burrito. Once you've combined the tortilla, cooked meat, and cheese in the pot, the game will process your creation. You'll see your virtual burrito appear, confirming your successful culinary effort. This means your freshly made burrito is now ready for you to interact with. Go ahead and enjoy the fruits of your labor, savoring your delicious, handcrafted burrito within the world of Yeeps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.